Want to protect your sticky notes from other people using your computer. In this tutorial, I'll explain what security features sticky notes includes, whether you can lock individual notes, and the best ways to keep your information private. At the time of this recording, sticky notes does not include a built-in feature to lock individual notes with a password, PIN, or fingerprint. Any unlocked Windows user who opens the app can view the notes stored in that account. The easiest way to protect your sticky notes is to lock your Windows computer whenever you step away. Press the Windows key together with the letter L to instantly lock your device and require your sign-in credentials before anyone can access your desktop. For better security, make sure your Windows account is protected with PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. So this protects not only sticky notes, but also your personal files and applications. Even with account protection, it's a good idea to avoid storing highly sensitive information such as passwords, banking details, or private security codes inside sticky notes. A dedicated password manager is a much safer choice. If you sync your sticky notes with your Microsoft account, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds another layer of protection to your Microsoft account and your synced notes, and that's what you need to know about locking sticky notes. While individual note locking isn't currently available, securing your Windows account and following good security habits can help keep your notes protected. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.